CapMass, the state-owned survey vehicle, says 46% of married women have been violated either physically or sexually by their husbands, and 1 in 4 girls have faced the same by family members, mainly the father.
There are issues like old traditions, illiteracy and lack of awareness that make violence more frequent, especially in the low-income segment. The rural villages and predominantly poor areas witness more violence. Drug users as well are violent within their family.
What makes matters worse is that there are no specific laws to punish domestic violence.
We have clauses in the law such as number 240 that punishes assault and causing injury. Other clauses punish FGM and child abuse, but unfortunately, there is no law against domestic violence. Countries like Iraq, Tunisia, Lebanon, and Morocco already have laws against domestic violence.
Citing the dangerous levels of domestic violence in Egypt, the government, along with women NGOs, started to take action.
The NGOs do a lot of work, especially in the rural areas and villages. They can reach these areas easier than the government. The problem is that the men in the family feel they have the right to control women or even beat them as part of being the leader of the family. They have to know it is illegal to do so.
Attempts to issue a law against domestic violence go back 10 years, but the political instability and dissolving parliament several times have hindered such efforts. However, the draft law is now ready to be discussed in the Assembly.
The draft law tackles issues like preventing women from inheritance, FGM, domestic violence, preventing girls from leaving the house, or preventing them from having education and underage marriage.
This new draft has been welcomed by most parliament members. It's expected to be ratified once put for a vote. Passing a law to criminalize domestic violence is a major step forward, but experts say awareness campaigns are just as important to help reduce the rate of violence within the family. Yasser Hakim for CGTN, Cairo.